Tackling home maintenance costs with some help from tech. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from Frontdoor is Director of On-Demand Services, Sarah Riley. Hi, Sarah.
Hey, thanks for having me, Fred.
A pleasure. Well, let's start with a bit of an overview of what Frontdoor is about.
Absolutely. Frontdoor is an all new app for your home. So, just like on your phone to open up Spotify to listen to music or podcasts, you can open up the Frontdoor app to get help with any of those home maintenance or repair tasks. You can connect to video chat with an expert live. So, through that app, you can talk to, we've got appliance, plumbing, HVAC, handyman, all experts on call, just waiting to help you walk through that experience live. It's free to download. It's free to become a member. That first video chat's even free. I know once you use it once, you're going to be hooked. So we've got our unlimited plan for just $25 a year, unlimited video chats. We've had one member already use it over 70 times just to help walk through all the different projects in his home and get help and advice from Frontdoor.
And is it available a certain number of hours during the day or all the time?
The video chat experts are available. It's essentially extended business hours. But the app where you can get posts about home maintenance and repair as well, that's available 24/7. But the experts themselves, it's essentially extended business hours.
Right. So with summer approaching, what are some of the tasks homeowners should keep in mind?
Yeah, I know that maintenance to-do list can really vary from home to home. So at Frontdoor, our goal is really to keep home maintenance simple. The main thing that we want people to keep in mind to get their house ready for summer is get their AC unit tuned up and ready to go. So I know I spent this past weekend changing out that HVAC filter, and then even outside, clearing out the weeds from around my AC coils and hosing those coils off as well, just to make sure that I gave it the best chance to be running smoothly all summer. Not only did that get my AC up and running, but it was just a good excuse to get some vitamin D outside.
You have something called an HVAC replacement program. Tell us about that and how that works.
That's right. Yeah. Our new HVAC program, I know I've been in this situation as a homeowner. I'm sure people can relate to, but you might be in your house and just not know how old your AC unit is. It may be 10 or 15 years old and working fine. But I know sometimes there's one room in the house that is just hot and stuffy, no matter what temperature you set that thermostat out, and one room that just stays way too cold. So that could be a sign that it's time to replace your AC system before it even breaks. With our HVAC program, Frontdoor provides exclusive pricing on new name brand HVAC systems for our members. So we see retail costs anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000 for these HVAC units. But because we are one of the largest providers in this space, we get exclusive discounts and can then save our members thousands of dollars on these replacements. There's lots of benefits to going ahead and replacing that HVAC system before it breaks down. Newer systems are more efficient. You can save up to 35% on your energy bills annually. They work better at regulating temperature, air circulation, and air quality in your home. And you might even qualify for tax benefits or rebates if you get a new, more eco-friendly model.
The heat pumps seem to be catching on in many areas today.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's where our HVAC program is so customizable to you. You just go into the app and request a free quote. A licensed HVAC contractor comes out to your house, inspects your current system, talks you through your needs, right? We know those needs vary based on how old your house is, where in the country you live. Are you looking to save money? Are you more eco-conscious? Or do you just want something that works reliably? They'll design a couple different custom quotes for you. Once you make that choice, the contractor comes back out, installs a new system, and they even haul away your old one. So it really is a great deal. Make sure that you are happy with what you're getting in your home, and there's no risk to getting a free quote. So, yeah, there's really no reason not to use it.
A win-win. So lots of people today are using YouTube to try to figure out home repairs, this and that, when something breaks. Tell us how this is a real step up.
Yeah, absolutely. The real difference maker with the Frontdoor app is you are talking to a home expert live and and on video. So the advice that you're getting from those video chats, it's individualized, it's personalized to your exact question or issue. So they're able to look at your heat pump or whatever it is in your home and tell you what makes the most sense for your situation. So you're not having to sort through or scroll through search results to find what might be the most relevant to you. It really is that real-time individualized advice.
Tell us how you go about finding the experts and the number of experts that you need here.
Yeah, absolutely. The experts, again, we've got them on call. We've got experts across all of these different major trades from appliances, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and handyman for all that kind of other category in your house. And they're ready on call. If you just open up that Frontdoor app, it's right on the main dashboard. You just click on which expert you want to talk to, and you'll get connected in minutes.
Now, the answer to this is obvious in some respects, but how are you different from things like Angie and Home Advisor and other services that offer handyman help?
Yeah, again, it all comes back to this live video chat with our experts. It's real-time help. They can, for free on that video chat through your app, walk you through your problem and help you get more educated about how to take care of your home best. So it really is the perfect triaging system. If you've got a question, you don't know if it's something you can do yourself, or maybe you do need professional help, the experts are a great place to start. They can walk you through that and let you know your options.
So for more info, where should folks go?
I would recommend getting to that Frontdoor app. So on your phone through Google Play or the App Store, just search for Frontdoor. It's all one word. Download the app. And on that, again, in that app, you can try out a video chat for free or even request a new HVAC quote.
Terrific. Sarah Riley, thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thanks so much for having me.